This no sugar summer drink is going to be my new favorite. After learning how to store carrots, I started using them in a better way, and this is my favorite summer drink. Just steam your carrots till soft, soak few dates in hot water, and some saffron strands in warm milk. Blend everything with almond milk or milk of your choosing and a pinch of cardamom. Make it really smooth and strain it if you like it extra creamy. Let it chill for a few hours in fridge and pour it over ice. Add some saffron strands, dried rose petals on top to garnish. At the end, I tried adding a drop of vanilla essence, and trust me, the taste was amazing. You can also add some soaked almonds to make it more delicious. This is so tasty and perfect for summer. If you are looking for a healthy summer drink, then you must try this. It's Ragi Ambali. Simple, cooling, and very grounding. Take 1 cup ragi flour, add a little water, and mix it slowly until smooth and lump free. In a pan, bring some water to boil and add little salt. Now, gently pour in the ragi mixture and keep stirring. Let it cook until it thickens nicely. Once it cools, take a small portion and add some buttermilk and adjust the consistency. Now, add your fresh ingredients: finely chopped onion, a little green chili finely chopped, some grated ginger, which helps with digestion and reduces bloating, a little roasted jeera powder, which keeps the drink light and cooling, just a pinch of hing, makes it easier on the stomach, and some curry leaves and coriander leaves. Mix everything gently. Add a few ice cubes if you like. Adjust salt and enjoy. A simple, healthy, nourishing drink for warm summer days.
Savor the summer with New Seed is coming up with a new drink, refreshing mango smoothie. We cannot miss mangoes when it is summer. So to make this drink, we need 2 ripened mangoes and slice them into small pieces. Add all of them into the blender with 3 tablespoons of honey to enhance the sweetness. Add 2 scoops of rich vanilla flavored ice cream with a glass of milk of your choosing. Add some ice cubes. Blend it all together until you get a nice smooth creamy texture. Pour this drink into the glass with 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. And finally, to garnish, add tiny mango slices on top of it and few saffron strands and fresh mint. And these are completely optional. When you taste it, it makes you feel like an absolute treat in this summer, and it is highly recommended to try.
In our home, love is in the little things. Summer days get busy and sometimes we forget simplest thing to stay hydrated. So I make it a habit to keep water gently infused with fresh cucumber, mint and sabja seeds placed right on the dining table where everyone can see it. It looks fresh, feels inviting, and the moment they see it, they remember to drink water.